This is today's wig. Really nice and gorgeous and realistic, looking so nice and light. So what I have here is Myfirstwig's 10x6 glueless wig, and this is how the inside looks. Now, you know, a big feature is when the ear portion it has this C shape, because the cap just sits comfortably on your head. You don't have to be shifting or lifting. It sits comfortably around that area. And then there is a drawstring in the very back, so it's quite easy to adjust to your head size and just fit perfect. Go ahead and pull it, as I told you guys. Adjust the first knob and then lock that in place with the second one. Once I'm done, I tuck away the string beneath the cap, and then we do the shake test to show you how secure it is. You can see a bit of a cast here in the front, so I'm just gonna take a little bit of my face powder and then I'm gonna run through the entire wig with my flat iron and get it flat with my hot comb. Guys, if you notice, it has that really gorgeous layered cut. Yes, it's giving that 90s fine kind of vibe. Deep side part and super flat. The wig is 100% giving realistic. Look at that layered cut. It's so gorgeous. Like, what? Yeah, my first wig, you definitely did it with this one. It's gorgeous, believable, and completely glueless. Like, it's not giving bulky or anything, and it's so lightweight, super easy fit.